Nature's first green is gold. Her heart is hue to hold. Her early leaf is a flower, but only so an hour. Then leaf subsides to leaf, so Eden sank to grief. So dawn goes down today. Nothing gold can. All the reasons that this is my favorite poem all relate back to my dad and fun times that we've had together. First instance is a few years ago when he took me fishing. We had to get up at about 3:30 a.m. and be on the boat by 4. So we got there and we finally set up by 4:15. We were out on the water at 4:15. And so we fished for a while, and eventually, after about 30 minutes or so, I felt a nip on my line. And so I started reeling it in, and it was really difficult. It took me about 5 or 6 minutes to actually finally get it to the boat. So once we got it, he put it in the freezer, or the cooler, and then after that, we didn't catch anything more. But then we finally saw the sun peeking over the mountains, and he pointed at it, and we sort of watched. And once it kind of got up to its rise, and we could see the entire thing, he recited the poem Nothing Gold Can Say. Nature's first green is gold. Her heart is hue to hold. Her early leaf is a flower, but only so an hour. Then leaf subsides to leaf, so Eden sank to grief. So dawn goes down today. Nothing gold. The second event that makes this my favorite poem also relates back to my dad. A few years ago when we were camping, oddly enough, my entire family was up by 5 a.m., which is weird because all of us enjoy to sleep in. And so we kind of just sat, ate breakfast by the creek, and then when the sunrise started, we all watched it. It was beautiful. And then when it was over, my dad again recited Nothing Gold Can Say. He said, Nature's first green is gold. Her heart is hue to hold. Her early leaf is a flower, but only so an hour. Then leaf subsides to leaf, so Eden sank to grief. So dawn goes down today. Nothing gold can say.